Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today I'll be showing you what I do to have a smooth face. Yes, so this day I walked into a spa. This is me walking into a spa at Queen's Place Spa, to first of all get my facials done. So I, as a singer and a businesswoman, I stress myself a lot and I often break out. So this day I walk into a spa, to remove the pimples. First of all, when you have pimples, the first thing you do is to remove the pimples. How do you do that? You go into a spa shop and get the pimples removed. You have a good facials before you apply any treatment. This is the lady at the spa applying some treatment on my face. As you can see, it hurts. She's trying to burn off the pimples. That is why you see me all the time with a smooth face. I don't do any special thing. I just maintain this routine. Every month I go to the spa to get this done. If I didn't go that month, that means the next month I'm definitely going. Yes, I don't miss it. I don't miss it for anything. So this is me under treatment. Okay guys, so this is me under steam. Under steam. Okay, so I do this often. I often do this before I get any. I'm going to show you a special soap I use at the end of this video, so keep watching. So this is me under steam. So after that, the lady tried to mask my face. She masked my face. This is the lady applying some form of is it clay? It didn't look like clay, but I always use this pie anyway because they are good. So she applied one greeting, put one greeting on my eye. I don't know what that is called. So, but the main thing is getting your facials done, removing the pimples first. Don't go and pack cream or soap on top pimples. It will not work. You will break out more. Remove them first. Exfoliate, treat your face, remove the pimples, dry them off before you apply any treatment. So guys, this is the soap that I'm talking of. You can see this in everyday supermarket. You can get this in everyday supermarket. Okay, see me guys. Hey, fine girl, no pimples. Remember that this video does not have filter. Okay, bye. And then see me on filter. So when you have a glowing skin, even with filter, you glow more. Okay, see you guys. Bye.